Good afternoon, everyone. So, now today we discuss properties of a matrices. So, in the last lecture, we have see what is the meaning of matrices and type of matrices. Now, the properties of a matrices. So, first most important property is addition of two matrices. So, for addition of two matrices, the most important condition is both matrix having the same order. Means, suppose first matrix is 2 by 2 order, then our second matrix is also 2 by 2. Suppose first matrix is 3 by 3, then our second matrix is also 3 by 3. For example, suppose this is two matrix, suppose 1 2 3 4, this is one matrix of 2 by 2 order, and 4 5 1 3, this is the second matrix of 2 by 2 order, and we want to add these two matrices. Then what we are doing, we are adding first entry into first entry of the second matrix, then second entry of the second entry of the second matrices. Similarly, this 3 is added in 1 and this 4 is added in 3. So this will be 1 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 1 and 4 plus 3. So this is equal to 5, 7, 3, 7. So this is also 2 by 2 matrix. So answer is 5, 7, 3, 7. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. Second example, suppose we have second matrices. Suppose 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. This matrix having 2 rows, 3 column, and we will add the second matrix is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is also 2 rows, 3 column, and now we want to add these two matrices. So what we are doing, we are adding first entry into first entry, so this will be 2 plus 0, second entry into second entry, 3 plus 1, third entry into third entry, so this will be 1 plus 2. Similarly, for second row first entry, second row first entry, so this will be 4 plus 3. Second row second entry, add in second row second entry, so this will be 5 plus 4, and second row third entry will be added in second row third entry, so this is 6 plus 1. So answer is 2, 4, 3, 7, 9, 7. So this is also again 2 by 3 matrix. So we will add two matrices using this method. Similarly, our second property is subtraction. So this is our second property. Now how to subtract two matrices? Now our second property is subtraction. Suppose this is our first matrix, suppose this is 1 2 3 4, and this is our second matrix 2 3 1 6, and we want to subtract these two matrices. So again, as like as addition, in the subtraction also the basic condition is same, the both matrix having a same order. So this first one is also 2 by 2, the second one also is 2 by 2. So again, like a addition, what we are doing, we are subtracting first entry from first, second entry from second, third entry from third, and fourth entry from fourth. So this will be 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 1, and 4 minus 6. So this is equal to minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. So this is the subtraction. For example, one more example, suppose A is equal to 2 3 4 5 6 1, and B is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 6. and we want to subtract these two matrices. So we want to find out A minus B. So what we are doing, we are first return the matrices. So write down first A matrix 2 3 4 5 6 1 minus our second matrix 0 1 2 3 4 6. Now what we are doing, we are subtracting first entry from first, second entry from second. So this will be 2 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 6 minus 4 and 1 minus 6. So our answer is, now make a subtraction. So this will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and minus 5. So this is also a 3 by 2 matrix. So this contains 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is the method of subtraction. So addition and subtraction, both the methods having the same condition, that the condition is whenever we are add two matrices or we are subtracting two matrices, both matrix having the same order. If both matrices have a different order, then we cannot add or subtract two matrices. So now our third property is scalar multiplication. What is the meaning of scalar? Scalar means a constant. So scalar multiplications mean what? If we are multiplying any scalar with the matrices, suppose this is a matrices 2 3 4 6 and we want to multiply this matrices by any scalar. Suppose this 3 is a number, means this 3 is a constant or this 3 is called as a scalar. So we want to multiply by 3 to these matrices. Then what we are doing, so we are multiplying this 3 into every element of a matrices. So that means 3 into 2, then 3 into 3, then 3 into 4 and 3 into 6. So this will be 6, 9, 12, 18. So this is a scalar multiplication. Suppose one more matrices 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2 and we want to multiply by minus 2. Then what we are doing, we are multiplying by this minus 2 to each and every element of this matrix. So this will be minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into 6, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 2. So this is equal to minus 2, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus 2, minus 4. So this is called a scalar multiplication, and this having a three properties. First we see how to add two matrices, then we have seen how to subtract two matrices, and the third one is how to multiply by a scalar to a matrices.